Claude app design faces token economics pressure. Every message competes for the same operating budget. Documents, tool schemas, and results all count. Reasoning steps and outputs also consume resources. Production quality depends on context awareness. Knowing what enters context is critical. Understanding what gets billed affects cost. Identifying what slows generation matters. Deciding what to route, cache, or compress is key. Some content must be removed before model execution. A large context window doesn't make architecture automatic. Claude supports up to 1 million tokens on select models. Other Claude models use 200K token windows. The limit is capacity, not just size. Bigger prompts still increase cost. They also raise latency risk, and they add retrieval noise. Conversation history grows with every turn. Previous messages stay part of future input. This can make a helpful prototype costly in production. The app must decide what to keep, what to summarize, what to retrieve on demand, what to drop. Memory is not free. It's an architectural decision. Tokens are the unit connecting product behavior to infrastructure cost. Anthropic's token counting endpoint helps teams estimate input tokens. It enables managing rate limits effectively. Teams can forecast costs with greater accuracy. It supports routing between different models. It ensures prompts fit within target lengths. Token counting acts as a pre-flight check. It happens before any production execution. Output tokens include more than just final answers. Extended thinking steps are counted as output tokens. They contribute to rate limits during generation. They also use up part of the context budget. A long, elegant response may hide costly reasoning. Production systems must limit reasoning depth. They should measure and justify how deep thinking goes. Don't treat reasoning as magic. Control it. Tool use adds hidden token weight. Tool names and descriptions add to the count. Schemas and tool blocks contribute tokens too. Tool resource blocks also increase token usage. Server-side tools may incur usage-based charges. Function calling improves reliability. Every tool definition expands the prompt surface. The best tool layer is precise. It should be minimal, and it must be measurable. Production cost control starts with routing. Simple classification doesn't need the strongest model. Bulk offline work shouldn't use synchronous pricing. Batch processing can cut input and output token costs by half. Expensive models should be saved for ambiguity. They're best used for reasoning and synthesis. Save them for high-value decisions too. Prompt caching turns repeated context into a performance lever. Anthropic says it can reduce costs by up to 90%. It can also cut latency by up to 80%. Reusable prompt content benefits most from caching. Structure system prompts for better cache hits. Organize tool definitions to maximize reuse. Store policies in a consistent, cache-friendly way. Long reference material should be formatted for caching. Latency comes from what the model must read. It also comes from reasoning over input data. Producing output adds to the delay. Huge inputs slow down attention mechanisms. Long outputs slow down streaming performance. Unnecessary tools add orchestration time. Retrieval dumps create decision noise. The fastest Claude app isn't always the shortest prompt. It's the one with the cleanest decision path. Count first, route second. Cache stable context to reduce overhead. Retrieve only relevant slices of data. Compact long conversations efficiently. Constrain output length for consistency. Log usage per workflow for tracking. Context management isn't cleanup after launch. It's the performance architecture. It determines if the app scales gracefully or becomes too expensive to trust. Measure input tokens and output tokens. Track cache reads and cache writes. Monitor latency per processing step. Watch context growth across each user session. Analyze model route distribution. Keep an eye on retry rate. check tool result size, track cost per successful task. These metrics reveal the true product shape. A Claude app is healthy when quality improves and when unnecessary context shrinks. The best Claude applications won't win by cramming everything in. They'll win by knowing exactly what the model needs now. Context windows create possibility. Token discipline drives performance. Cost control ensures sustainability. Latency control builds user trust. Production AI isn't about bigger prompts, it's about sharper, more focused context.